Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to explore some more important tools that help us understand the world around us. And by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to understand what each one of them is and how they help us. So let's get started. The globe shows the world as a round ball, just like our planet. And on the globe, you can find continents, oceans, countries in their exact shape and position. The main difference between a map and a globe is that a globe shows the Earth in 3D, while a map is flat. Globes are great because they show distances and directions more accurately, but maps are easier to carry and use every day. A map is a drawing that shows what a place looks like from above, kind of like a bird's eye view. You may wonder what the bird's eye view means. A bird's eye view means seeing something from above as if you were a bird flying high in the sky and looking down at the ground. People use maps to find location, plan trips, and learn about different places because they make it easier for us to see where things are and how to get from one place to another one. There are many kinds of maps, but these are the ones people use most often. Political maps show countries and cities. Physical maps show mountains, rivers, and oceans. Road maps help people travel by showing streets and highways. A compass rose is a small picture you'll find on most maps. It shows directions: north, south, east, and west. Sometimes it also shows the smaller directions like northeast or northwest, southeast, and southwest. When you look at the map, a compass rose can help you to know which way to go. So for example, if I live in the United States and I really want to visit Brazil, I just have to go south. So, a compass rose is like Maps built-in guide. A map key, also called a legend, helps you understand symbols on a map. You probably wonder why. Well, that's because we don't use words for everything. We use colors and symbols to show things. The map key explains what each symbol or color means, so you can read map correctly. For example, red lines show us country borders. Blue lines usually show us rivers. Here we can see different colors for different altitudes, and also a little scale is shown here. A map scale shows us how big or how small a map is compared to real life. That is because we cannot draw the world in its full size, so we use a scale to help us measure the distance. So that means that scale helps us to understand how far things are away from each other. For example, a scale might say 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. That means if two cities are 3 centimeters apart on the map, they're actually 3 kilometers apart in real life. Next time you look at a map or a globe, find compass rose, scale, or legend and try to remember from this lesson what they are used for, because these tools help us understand our world better. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.